Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll solve a quadratic function word problem. As per the problem, the sum of the base and height of a triangle is 21 centimeters. Determine the maximum area of the triangle in centimeters squared. The first step is to draw a triangle. In this triangle, the base is the horizontal side. Let's assume its length is b. The height of this triangle is represented by this broken line. Let's assume the height of this triangle is h. As per the problem, the sum of the base and height is 21 centimeters. So our first equation is b plus h equals 21. We have to determine the maximum area of this triangle. Let's analyze the formula for area of a triangle. The formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. We have to find the maximum area. This area formula is based on the base length and the height of the triangle. In order to find the maximum area, we should do substitution for one of these two variables b or h from the first equation. B plus h equals 21. For that, we can isolate either b or h from the first equation. We can isolate b by moving h to the right side of the equation. We get b equals 21 minus h. Now we can do the substitution for b in the area formula. We can replace b with 21 minus h. Next, we can distribute h into the parentheses. We should multiply both terms in the parentheses by h. We can break up the fraction 21h minus h squared over 2 into two terms. This is a quadratic equation in standard form. We can rearrange the terms. In order to find the maximum area of the triangle, we should change this quadratic equation in standard form to vertex form. For that, we can use complete the square method. In this equation, we have an h square term, we have an h term, but there is no number term on the right side. The first step is to factor out the coefficient of the h square term from both the h square and the h terms. The coefficient of the h square term is negative 1 over 2. So we should factor out negative 1 over 2 from both terms. We are left with h square minus 21h. Next, we should use the coefficient of the h term in the parentheses. We should divide 21 by 2. We should ignore the negative sign with 21 for this step. I get 21 over 2. We should add and subtract square of 21 over 2 in the parentheses. Next, we should move out the negative 21 over 2 square outside the parentheses, and when we do that, we have to multiply this term by negative 1 over 2, because negative 1 over 2 should be multiplied to all terms in the parentheses. Now we can complete the square. In the parentheses, we should first write the variable h. Next, we should write the sign of the middle term, which is negative. And next, we should write the number that we squared, and that's 21 over 2. We close the parentheses and put the square outside the parentheses. Next, 21 over 2 square is equal to 441 over 4. Negative 441 over 4 times negative 1 over 2 is equal to 441 over 8. This is the area equation in vertex form. We have to determine the maximum area of the triangle. The maximum area is the y-coordinate of the vertex, and as per this equation in vertex form, the y-coordinate of the vertex is 441 over 8. This area represents maximum area because the graph of this area equation is a parabola that opens in the downward direction. Because the a value is negative, it is equal to negative 1 over 2. This is a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. Therefore, the maximum area of the triangle is 441 over 8, and the unit is centimeter squared because the given unit of length is centimeters. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.